Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be learning how we can generate a 3D grid from a 2D axisymmetric grid. As a test case, we will be using the 2D grid created in last week's tutorial, 2D PAW-6 Inlet Test Case. As mentioned in the document provided on the website, a 3D grid is generated by simply revolving the 2D grid about the origin by 27 degrees of the circumferential extent. We will be using GridPro's command line utility called stack a 2D grid to generate the 3D grid. Transforming the 2D grid. Since we need the grid to be symmetric about the XY plane, we will first need to rotate the 2D grid by minus 13.5 degrees either to the left of the XY plane before performing the extrusion to 3D. The minus sign indicates that the transformation happens in the clockwise direction. To do this, we will use the transform option in the UI. Go to the transform option under the edit tab of the grid section in the UI. Now click on rotate and transform the 2D grid by entering the values. The grid can be viewed by changing the view from 2D to 3D. Save the new grid. Extruding to 3D. We now open a new terminal in the same folder where the grid file is saved. We will use the stack a 2D grid command line utility to perform the extrusion. The command line function has the following syntax. IFN specifies the 2D grid file name. OutFN specifies the output 3D grid file name. The AX option specifies the axis. In this, the first 3 digits are the XYZ coordinates of the center of rotation, and the next 3 digits are XYZ coordinates of the axis of rotation. A specifies the angle in degrees, and N specifies the number of copies to be generated in the extrusion. We can now open the 3D grid file and see that we have an extruded grid of good quality. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, leave us a like and subscribe to the channel for new videos. If you have any questions or any comments, feel free to leave it below. If you want us to post tutorials on any specific geometries, you could write to us on support@gridpro.com. Follow us on our social media pages. Links are posted in the description.